Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by confirming the essentials: 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and TPM2, 0 or virtual TPM enabled. Once confirmed, download the simulator image and unzip it to a known folder so you can reference the path quickly. Then open the simulator app and choose New Session. Assign CPU cores and RAM according to your system. Make sure to enable virtual TPM and network bridging if needed. This prevents common boot issues and speeds up the initial setup process. You mount the ISO or point the simulator to the extracted image, then start the virtual machine and watch the Windows 11 installer begin. During installation, choose the language, partition the virtual disk as needed, and enter a product key if required. This determines activation later. Once the OS installs, configure privacy options, create or link your account, enable automatic updates, and turn on Windows Defender. As you go, pause for driver or integration tools installation. These improve performance and clipboard sharing between host and simulator. You finish by installing integration tools and display drivers to enable smooth graphics and proper scaling, such as 16:9 aspect ratio support. Then set up snapshots and backups, adjust resource limits, and enable auto start only if the host can spare CPU and RAM. If the simulator refuses to boot or lags, check virtual TPM, secure boot, and host virtualization settings in BIOS or UEFI, often toggling virtual TPM or increasing RAM by 0.51 GB resolves boot time errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.